Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the working of the filter filtration operation from frame filter press plate and frame filter press working filtration operation washing of cake. Slurry enter the frame from the feed channel and passes through the filter medium on the surface of the plate. The solid form a filter cake and remain in the frame. The thickness of cake is half of the frame thickness because on each side of frame filtration occurs. These two filters cake are framed which meet the eventually in the center of the frame. At the center point process is stopped and press is emptied and cycle is restarted. Washing operation. When washing of cake is also required, modifying plate and frame filter is used for this purpose and the additional channel is included called as the washing plate and are identified by the three dots. In the half of the washing plate, there is a connection from wash water channel to the surface of plate. The sequence of arrangement of plates and frame can be represented by dot as 1.2, 3.2 and 1.2, 3.21 so on. Between 1 and 1, 2.3.2 must be arranged. Procedure for washing the press. Step 1. Filtration process is ordinary way until the frame are filled with cake. Second step, to wash the filter cake, the outlet of washing plate are closed. Third, wash the water is pumped in the washing channel. The water enters through the inlet on the surface of washing plate. Fourth step, water pass through the filter cloth and enter frame which contains the cake. Then the water washes the cake, pass through the filter cloth and enter the plate down the surface. Finally, wash the water escapes through the outlet of the plate. Next, the diagrammatic procedure: slurry, wash water, filtrate. There are the dot. First is the 1 and 2, 3, 2, 1 and 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. That is the filtrates of the slurry. Wash water across the dot. There are the 3 dot, 1, 1 and 1, 3. Then there are the next things to be noted. Water wash is efficient only if the frame are the full with water cake. The filter cake, and if the solid do not fill the frame completely, the wash water causes the cake to break. Then washing will be less effective. Hence, it is essential to allow the frame become completely filled with the washing cake. These help not only in emptying the frames but also help in washing the cake correctly. There are provisions and uses. Special provisions. Any possible contamination can be observed by passing the filtrate through a glass tube or slide glass from the outlet on the each plate. This permit the inspection of quality of filtrate. The filtrate goes through the control valves to an outlet channel. The filtration process from each plate can be seen. In event of the broken cloth, the faulty plate can be considered and isolated. The filtration can be continued with one plate less. Sterile filtration can be obtained by using asbestos and cellulose filter sheet. For this, the whole filter press and the medium have been sterilized previously. Filtrations of the viscous liquid can also be done incorporating heating cooling coil in the press. In today's class, I discuss about the washing operation and working of the plate and frame filter press. Thank you for watching.